Happy Friday, everyone. This is Quincy Booth from the Booth Firm, tuning in for a brief chat. Let's get into a subject that not many people really consider when they think about personal injury. That's products liability. What does that mean? Products liability means that after someone's been injured by any type of product that's put into the stream of commerce, meaning you've bought it from a store, you've ordered it online, you bought it from a reseller. Anytime there's a product that's manufactured and then distributed, ends up in the hands of a consumer and hurts that consumer, you've got to ask yourself a few questions. Did the consumer get hurt because the product was defective? What does defective mean? There's three different types of defects: manufacturing, warning, and design. Let's talk about design defects. A design defect means that when the manufacturing company was doing tests, failure mode analyses. In other words, let's check out the performance of this product and whether it could be safer, or whether the design could be, whether there could be an alternative design of that product that's more safe. And if a jury determines that there could have been a safer alternative design, then you've got a design defect. Here's an example. And this type of products liability case is called crash worthiness. You can probably assume where I'm going. I'm going to an automobile that did not perform as the consumer expected to, or an automobile that during a crash sequence injured somebody because it wasn't designed as safely as it could be. So you're cruising along 25 miles an hour, and for one reason or another, your vehicle collides into a light post. The last thing that you would expect at 25 miles an hour is for your vehicle to go up in flames, to cause an explosion, or for you to not be able to get out of the car because for some reason the doors won't unlock just because of a crash sequence. And for some reason, not being able to get out of the car or being exposed to an explosion is going to cause some harm. And if the damages are catastrophic enough, then you're talking about a serious products liability case, one in which an attorney like myself can establish that that car's manufacturer did not do what it needed to do to make that car safer in its design and performance. So these are very complex cases that you should seek an attorney to discuss if unfortunately you've been the victim of or subjected to a crash worthiness case, or any other type of case in which a product could have had a safer alternative design but did not, because that manufacturer cut corners or did not really consider the benefits that you, the consumer, could realize in taking a few more steps towards creating an alternative, safer design. Contact the Booth Firm or an attorney from the Booth Firm at 267-231-1195 if you have any questions about products liability cases. Have a good Friday.